The optional Link and Play rear seat entertainment system is a modern take on in-vehicle entertainment. This feature is designed for the many ways you access your videos, music, and photos. In this video, you'll learn how to use a USB thumb drive with Link and Play. Whether for entertainment or sharing photos and music, access your stored media easily and conveniently right on the Link and Play system.
I'm a real estate broker, and I'm always showing my clients photos of home listings. I load these photos on the thumb drive, and I take that with me to each appointment. We can easily review the latest listings together and discuss what to see next while we're on the go. You know, with Link and Play, my navigator is truly my mobile office.
To get started, simply insert your USB media storage device, or thumb drive, into the USB port on the driver's side monitor. Once the vehicle is started, turn on the Link and Play system by pressing the power button on the side of the monitor or the remote control. Here you'll be greeted by a home screen with the main menu located on the far left side. You can access this screen anytime by pressing the home button either on the remote control or on the bottom panel of the monitor. Note, the screen itself is not a touchscreen. You'll need to use the buttons on the bottom panel or remote to navigate the system menus. Using the up and down buttons, highlight Source, then press Select. From the Source menu, navigate to the USB option and press Select. Select the type of media, photos, videos, or music. Now your selected content will display. Navigating a photo library is easy. Use the left, right, up, and down buttons to select a photo. If there is a large library of photos, page selector arrows allow for quick browsing up and down through the pages. While navigating a photo library, pressing the Context menu button will allow for additional options such as search, sorting, and page view. You can additionally select Overview, Slideshow, Full Screen, Grid, and List as more viewing options. Navigating through a music or video library is similar. Use the left, right, up, and down buttons to move through content. You can use the alphabetical search bar to scroll through content quickly. Music files, for example, are sorted by artist by default. Selecting an album by that artist will display the songs from the album. Pressing Select will begin playing the selected track. Pressing the right arrow will navigate to the Now Playing screen. The Now Playing screen contains playback controls, including shuffle and repeat, plus volume adjustment and night mode. Pressing Back will return to the Song Select screen. Press the Context menu button while navigating to bring up advanced options on the right side of the screen. These include searching, sorting, and changing the page view. Selecting Page View gives the option to change the view of the displayed content for easy navigation. For music and video, there are two different views, Grid and List. You can view the content on both rear seat monitors by selecting Mirror from the home menu. Link and Play makes it easy to view and share your media while you're on the go. Now you can review listings in mobile comfort while Link and Play helps show your clients where to look next. For system details, consult the Link and Play Rear Seat Entertainment System Owner's Manual within the Link and Play mobile app under Settings.